toothbrush, squeeze some paste, brushing slowly, not in haste. Brush, brush, brush away, keep your smile bright every day. Up and down and round we go, healthy little teeth will glow. Tiny circles, nice and slow, watch those sparkling bubbles grow. Front and back and every side, let your happy smile shine wide. Swish some water, rinse it clean, the brightest smile you've ever seen. Look into the mirror now, say I did it, take a bow. Morning brushing starts the day, keeping little germs away. After breakfast, nice and neat, healthy mouths are such a treat. Brush, brush, sing with me, happy as can ever be. Smile so wide from ear to ear, healthy teeth bring lots of cheer. At lunchtime after yummy food, brushing keeps us feeling good. Crunchy apples, carrots too, strong white teeth will smile at you. The toothbrush dancers left and right, making every tooth so bright. Bubble, bubbles everywhere, floating gently through the air. Friends all brush together now, learning when and learning how, laughing, singing all the while. Everyone has a sparkling smile. The dentist says you're doing great, healthy smiles are really first rate. Brush each morning, every night, keep your teeth clean, fresh and bright. The moon appears up in the sky, stars begin to twinkle high. One last brush before bedtime, everything is feeling fine. Brush, brush one more time, healthy smiles are simply fine. Clap your hands and shout hooray, we'll brush again another day. Brush with care both day and night, keeping every smile bright. Healthy habits help us grow, now it's time to whisper low. Good night, little smiling friend, healthy habits never end. Dream of sparkly teeth so bright, see you in the morning.